everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anant Acharya. I'm so very grateful to all those who are listening to my podcast regularly. Thank you so much. Today I have come with a very special topic, which is nothing but a prayer. But yes, it is a different kind of prayer, which is known as Ho'oponopono. Yes, it's a bit difficult to just pronounce it, but once again I will say it. It's Ho'oponopono. Basically, it is an Hawaiian prayer, which is used to, what we say, which is used to delete our past memory throughout our life, and we are having so many memories in our mind, and even from our previous what we can say, our previous, we have this karmic connection. So all those memories are creating all the situations and problems in our life. So the Hawaiians, the ancient Hawaiians, they believe that if we pray this particular Ho'oponopono prayer, then we are able to delete that past memories, and we are cleansing our body, and we are reaching to a point where we are an empty vessel, where we can again pour on all the positive things and all the things which we can use it wisely in our this life. So over here, now you may say, what is the prayer? It must be difficult, or it must be very, it must be in some Hawaiian language, something like that. But no, it is not like that. I just want to say that there are just 4 sentences which we have to use daily. And daily means whenever you are, you get some time, just speaking that 4 sentences is completing the prayer, and they are very easy. So I have heard about this prayer earlier, but I was not knowing about it. But then, as I told you that I have a habit of this reading, so I read this book Zero Limits by Dr. Joe Vitale, and in that he has explained this Ho'oponopono prayer for not only just cleansing, but it is helping us to improve our all the areas in life, specifically health, wealth, and peace. Okay, so it is we can say an overall prayer which is going to keep our life very happy, healthy, and full to the fullest. We can live our life to the fullest. So what are the 4 sentences? You will be surprised to know that they are very commonly used in nowadays also. So the first sentence is, I love you. The second sentence is, I'm sorry. The third sentence is, please forgive me. And the fourth sentence is, thank you. Yes, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. These are the 4 sentences which you can repeatedly use in your mind. You don't have to say it to anything, just to yourself. And nowadays, the Mabel Katz, she is also a very well-known Ho'oponopono teacher, where she says that nowadays only saying thank you is enough. So instead of saying I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, even if you say only thank you, that is more than enough. So if you say that, then in your body, through your body, you are getting cleansed up, and your problems will get sorted out automatically. Yes, it seems to be super easy, but we people have this habit of having a complicated method of solving our problem, but it is not like that. It is really super easy. Why I am telling this is that I am using this Ho'oponopono prayer since last February. That is, it is about to 10 months. So I can say that initially it was difficult, but I have used it. I am using it daily, every day, and I am so very obsessed with this prayer that I use it, I can say 24/7. Now we can say, so which of your problems are solved, I can say I I have no problem. Yeah, that means see, initially I have started with my life coaching course, so it got completed very easily. I found so many other techniques like meditation and other things to continue with it. Then then what happens is that in this epidemic, I tried to, this prayer has been to an immune system to me, and it has helped me to feel good even at it, even when I was at home. We were at home in the lockdown, and it is, if even certain thing is not working, then if I say this prayer, then that problem gets solved immediately for me. And it is like an automatic process. I have to just repeatedly. So this prayer I am using early in the morning while going to sleep. And best thing is, there are so many tools which we can use to cleanse our energy also, which I have discussed yesterday. And there are so many tools to feel safe and, make sure that our work is getting done. So I have gone through so many tools, and I here in this episode I just want to say that if you want to know more about it, then please let me know. And you can also search by yourself. You can Google it, you can YouTube it, and you can find thousands of videos and detail on it. And there are two books written on it, Zero Limits and At Zero, by Dr. Joe Vitale. And Mabel Katz, she is also writing so many books on the Ho'oponopono prayer. So you can just go through them, and I'm sure that this small little player will help you to come out of your problems. So thank you so very much. I hope you have enjoyed this. Stay home, stay safe, take care.